Hey friends, welcome back to Booksparks. I'm Sona and we are diving into one of the most life-changing books ever written, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. This book has sold over 40 million copies. And for good reason, these 7 habits can completely transform the way you live, work, and even how you think So let's jump up right in. When I first picked up this book, I thought 7 habits? That sounds like a lot to remember. But honestly, when you once hear them, you realize they are so simple, practical, and they just make sense. And if you even apply one of these habits, you will see results almost immediately. Let's go to the habits. Habit number 1, be proactive. This means stop blaming traffic, your boss, and even the weather for your problems and start focusing on what you can control. For example, if you are stuck in a traffic, instead of getting frustrated, use this time to listen to an audiobook or a podcast. The point is, you have always the power to choose your response. The habit number 2, begin with the end in mind. Imagine your dream life, your career, your health, your relationships. Then ask yourself, what choices today will lead me there? If you want to be healthy, don't just think about the snack in front of you. Think about the bigger picture. Covey says everything is creating twice. First in your mind, then in reality. Habit 3, put first things first. This means stop wasting your time on urgent but unimportant things, like scrolling on your phone, and focus on what really matters, like your health, your goals, your family. It's basically about time management, but in a way that aligns your values. Habit 4, think win-win. Life is not a competition where I win and you lose. The best deals, relationships, and friendships happen when both sides benefit. For example, if you are negotiating at work, don't just try to get your way. Look for a solution where everyone feels they're won. Habit number 5, seek first to understand. Habit 5 is one of my favorites. Most of us listen just to reply, not to truly understand. But when you actually listen, really listen, people open up, trust you more, and then they will be more willing to hear your point of view. Habit number 6, synergize. I know it sounds like a fancy word, but it simply means teamwork. It's about combining strengths, so the results is bigger than what anyone could be alone. Think of it like this: 1 plus 1 doesn't equal 2, it equals 3 or more. And finally, habit 7, sharpen the saw. This means take care of yourself, your body, your mind, your spirit. Because if you are burned out, stressed, exhausted, you can't be effective in everything else. So let's quickly recap. Be proactive. Begin with the end in mind. Put first things first. Think win-win. Listen first. Synergize. And keep sharpening yourself. Pretty powerful, right? Here's the best part. You don't have to master all 7 at once. Just start with one habit. Practice it daily and you will notice real changes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss more life-changing lessons here on Booksparks. Remember, we grow together, one book at a time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.